Hello guys, so this is Shelter Afrique Estate Uyo. This is one of the most beautiful estates you will get in Akwa Ibom. So guys, come with me as I drive, inside this estate, showing you guys the beautiful mansions here, how serene this place is, and this estate also has paved roads, like all round. Paved roads all around. Unlike some places I will go in Umuahia, and you'll be seeing a place designated or called an estate, but they wouldn't have paved roads. No, here in Shelter Afrique, the estate, the roads here are all paved roads. Now, apart from the road, they have good security, as Akwa Ibom State is one of the most peaceful and secured states in Nigeria. You can see the mansions, very beautiful mansions. This is one of the places where the rich live in Uyo. The rich people do not like to live in noisy areas. They like to live in a serene environment. And this is just, what a perfect serene environment is. My brother, money is good. So guys, the paved roads also has a street light, so that if you are driving into this estate at night, you'll be able to see where you are driving to. Now, inside this estate, there is a school. I saw a school in this estate. I saw a football field, and I also saw shops where people can come out and buy one or two things. You don't have to leave the estate before you can be able to buy one or two things, before you can be able to play football, and the rest of them. So guys, if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you find this video interesting, please kindly click the subscribe button. It's free of charge, and then the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be among the first people to be notified and watch the video. Uyo people really understand the importance of using trees to decorate their environment. As you can see in this estate, there are a lot of trees here, and not just in the estate, even just on the roads, the major roads in Uyo, you will see a lot of trees they used in decorating the beautiful city. So transportation has been made easy inside this estate, as tricycles are allowed to operate to drop passengers and all that. And I'm very close to the football field inside the estate, where you will see people living in this estate can come play football and do exercises. So I noticed a few empty lands inside this estate, and I don't even think that they may be up for sale. Maybe the owners are not yet ready to start building there. I still notice some places within this estate that has been overgrown with grasses that needs to be cut. I don't know, maybe they are still going to do that later. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.